Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then click on the Browse section at the bottom in the middle and click on Downloads, Receive Files under Source. Then click on Download Manager at the bottom. And as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!